Hey Daisies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a slim tree that I decorated for a client. Now if you guys remember, I did a dining room a few months ago, and this is the same room and the same client. They wanted to add a little touch of Christmas in the space, so we decided to get a slim tree because it is a small area. And so I'm going to do it in the same colors. It's pretty ivory, white, and gold, and I'm super excited about it because it's going to be so pretty. So I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking during the video, but I am going to show you the items that I purchased, and then you will see how it turned out. In the end, it's absolutely beautiful. So I hope you all enjoy the remainder of the video.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So I hope you all love the way the tree turned out. I am still so in love with this space. I love the natural light and the colors and everything. It's just absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. More Christmas videos coming. Bye, Daisies.